If you can't afford to buy it, then build it yourself. But no one had ever imagined that something like this could also be made by hand. In the city of Peshawar, there is a small open workshop where skilled craftsmen decided to build their own high-performance dump trucks so that local drivers could afford to use them. Although the environment here is simple and the machines are not very modern, the trucks built by these craftsmen are strong, durable, and inexpensive. Because of this, the earnings of this small workshop are increasing rapidly day by day. The construction process begins with the chassis frame of a large truck. First, the craftsmen place thick steel plates on the frame and weld them together to create the platform of the truck's dump body. Next, curved U-shaped steel pieces are installed vertically on both sides to form the side frame. To make the truck look unique and attractive, the craftsmen cut small pieces of steel and weld them onto the body, creating a kind of artistic design. After that, curved steel plates are attached to this frame, closing the entire body structure. During welding, sparks fly everywhere and smoke fills the air. But in the experienced hands of these craftsmen, the work moves forward quickly. After this, a tailgate is installed at the back of the truck, which is firmly secured from both sides using hooks and locks. Now it is time for another important step: installing the truck's wheels. The thick iron pipe you see acts as the rear axle for the wheels. The craftsmen first position it correctly under the chassis and weld it in place using steel plates. Then it is removed for stronger welding and finally fixed permanently to the chassis. Since this dump body does not drive on its own, it does not require complex parts such as a differential. That is why installing it is relatively simple. Even after all the wheels and tires are attached, the dump truck is still not completely ready. One of the most important parts still needs to be installed: the hydraulic lifting system. The craftsmen create a simple yet effective hydraulic lifting mechanism. By connecting steel rods with lifting arms, they build a system that allows the dump body to rise and tilt. With this mechanism, the rear part of the truck lifts easily and the load slides down automatically. Once the entire mechanism is ready, the truck is painted before being delivered to the driver. But this is not an easy task either. According to the driver's preference, colorful and beautiful artistic designs are painted on it. After the craftsmen complete this detailed work, the dump truck looks absolutely stunning. Meanwhile, the driver is already waiting with the front section of the truck. Finally, the truck is ready to hit the road. Indeed,